What's up, Kia Too Technical? I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, I have a product in front of me. CamDuck was kind enough to send me out their CamDuck security camera, so I'm gonna unbox it just like so. And you are greeted with your user manual. So this is a high-end hidden camera that you can use in your house to watch your mother, your daughter, if you need to, you know, somebody older in your family, or just to watch your room or your house while you're away. This is your instructions. You will want to look at this, and I've already looked at this. This is the product that you are greeted with right here. You also get your USB cable thing that you can plug into your computer, load up your videos, and so on and so on. You get this pick, and I'll show you what you need to do with this in a minute. They also send you some screws. I guess if you want to screw this to something, you have access to doing that. But pretty much this is what the device looks like. So there is a hidden camera lens in here, but you do get access to charging your phone up. If you want to sit your phone on top, you can do that. So you do get your charging cable, that's USB Type-C, and you get 4 outlets that you can charge other things up to. You get a speaker here, and then a speaker here, and at the top here, this is where your SD card will be inserted, and that is why you need this little guitar pick that they sent. This is just so you can get access to that opening for your SD card will be entered. Right now I already tested this out, so I do have a 8 GB SD card in there right now. I don't need too much, you know, I won't be doing too much with it, but this is where your SD card goes. And this just looks good. This looks nice. It almost looks like a little cat with cat ears. So I'll be back to show you how to use this device. But before I do that, so I already have the app downloaded. So pretty much the app is called CIXICM. So pretty much all you need to do is go to your Play Store if you're on Google, and just go to the App Store if you're on iPhone. And currently I'm using this on my iPhone, so I'm gonna go to my iPhone and I'm gonna type in, let me go back and see what I said it was. It is CIXICM, so you just want to type in CIXICM. You want to hit search, and just like that, you may not already have it installed, so when you do this, you're going to want to install yours is going to say install. You want to hit install, but for mine says open, because I already have used it and tested out, so I know what I need to talk about and what I needed to show in the video. So just give me a quick second and I will show a demonstration of what the camera can do. Okay, so now I have the camera connected to my iPhone 15 Pro Max. As you can see, it's in the wall right there. This is the footage that you will get. You know, it's not the best quality, but it's something if you just want to watch something. This is what you will get, and this is what it looks like. It's not bad at all. You can turn your phone either way to get access to the screen. To get the view that you want, as you can see, this is me. You flip it around, You can take a photo while you're in it. Just take a photo, and then I have it on recording. You get 1080 MP. Right now I'm in 4 MP.